Hi guys, it's Moz here. Bit of a tip video really, something that I've kind of discovered. As you know, my spray booth is a handmade job. I did some drawings and I got a carpenter to make this out of MDF for me. And I bought this extraction fan on Facebook. It's an industrial one. And basically I can, get these filters changed. It's a bit dirty, that one, but yeah, it needs a change, that one, I think. But anyways, and you know that one of my previous videos not so long ago, I fitted some new lights, these ones here, and I've just put them and I've screwed them up top. There's a video on that one which you can click here to see me fit them. But I was still complaining it wasn't bright enough, and somebody suggested, why don't I paint the inside of this white? And I thought, that's all well and good, but it's not going to stay white, is it? And then it kind of hit me that I use this kind of like foam board. As you can see, it's a foam board in photography booths because I take lots of photos of items that I sell. And I thought, wouldn't it be a great idea to line my spray booth with this foam stuff, because once it's basically sprayed up and messy, I can then remove it and start again. So this is the spray booth before I put the foam board in. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. There's a lot of build up of paint all over the wood and it's very dark. So this is what it looks like before I've put the foam board in. So what I did was I went to Hobbycraft where I buy this sheet, and you can buy these sheets, and it's they've got a bit of a deal on at the moment. I think about £4 a sheet, but if you buy 3 you get 1 free. So if you buy 4 it becomes 12 quid, not 16. And basically I measured up the floor first. So I measured up the floor because this is square. The chippy that built this is brilliant. This is completely square. So I measured this up, cut it, put this in, and then I had other bits of board as well, so I pushed it in and cut and measured it and cut it and pushed them in tight. At the back here I had some off pieces that I then, as you can see, that's how dirty it was. This floor here is even worse than that. And just put these in, and up they go. And all I've done is I've put them in with drawing pins. So this is all held in with let's turn the camera a little bit. You can see just drawing pins. So what I have to do now is, once it's all dirty, I can then just pull it all out and then use them as templates. So I can recut this again without having to bother to measure it because I've already got the template. Just an idea, folks, that I've come across. If you've got a different type of, like a metal booth or something, nothing stopping you getting some double-sided tape and just sticking these to the side, or some sort of spray adhesive that's easy to remove. But yeah, so if you have got a spray booth and you're worried about it getting a bit mucky and everything else, here you go. This may be a solution for your problems on keeping your spray booth clean. And one other benefit of using this foam board is that you can just put your cocktail sticks in. So if you're spraying something that you're using a cocktail stick for, you can use things like this. It's pretty handy to have anyway. Or do something like that, just to keep something in position. You can just use that. It's only foam board, and then you're going to replace it afterwards. And also, because it's white, it's reflecting all the light, so you've got a really good light area to spray into. Just a thought anyway. The width of the boards are 600 by 850 mil, I think it is. 600 wide, or 60 centimeters by 85 centimeters. So you can buy them in sheets, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can see them on the Hobbycraft website. So if you've got a Hobbycraft around you, or some sort of hobby shop that sells these things, then you can go and buy them and protect your spray booth. Anyways, just a tip from Moz. I just kind of discovered it tonight and I thought I'd do a video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like. If you haven't subscribed, can you please subscribe? It really does help the channel. And if you click that bell, select all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, any thoughts on this? Is it going to help you? just leave them in the box below and I will reply. And of course, thank you to my channel members who help this channel. Here's a list of the channel members. If you'd like to become a member, click join. Membership start from $1.99. If you've not seen my latest video, it'll be here. Click here. And if you want to see other videos, there's a playlist of my videos here.